welcome back to the channel. Something a little bit different today. I've had this iPhone 11 for over a year now, and the case that I've got on it, it's done well, but the videos I've been doing lately, I keep dropping it. So what I've done, I've got a new, I don't know how you pronounce this, is it Spigen? I've got a new case, and I've got the new protective glass, and these are the same ones that I put on before, so I bought the same one again because they're so good. But I thought I'd do a quick video just to show people how to correctly install them, because it is easy, but I just thought I'd run through the video just to show you how to do it. So I'm going to bring the camera in, bring it in nice and close, and you can see what I do. Right then, here we go then. Right, so the first thing we want to be doing is take the old hardware off the phone. So that's the old case. The old case was T-O-R-R-O-G by the looks of it, or Toros. It did well. Take off the old screen protector, and I highly recommend using these because I mean that's saved my phone loads of times. Before you start, you probably want to give it a clean. I mean, you can see the condition of this phone. It's absolutely mint. Don't think there's actually a mark on it at all. So I'm just going to get a cloth just to give it a quick wipe over. Right, so just give that a wipe over. So yeah, first thing we do is put the screensaver on. That's the box. You can get all this off Amazon. So in the box you get the lens screen cleaner, which I've already done. You get like a little squidgy thing to like push out the bubbles, but you don't get in. And then you get this. That's to put it in place. Then you get two screens. You get two screen protectors, which is handy. So first thing you want to do is you want to put this on your phone. It says top. So that's quite self-explanatory. So you fit it onto your phone like that. Might as well do it properly. So you get your lens cleaner. So take out one of your lens cleaner cloths. I suppose this is just it smells like it's got alcohol on it. I suppose this is just to make the screen stick better. So get your cloth, give it a wipe. Then comes with like a little cloth. I'm not going to bother using that. Don't want to get any lint on the screen. Then take out one of your covers. This is back, front. So you pull the backing off. Then it's really easy. All you do is just line it up and just place place it down. Then you put your finger on the middle here and then just push it down like that. Then just pull this up. Then you can get your squeegee. So you can take this back off now because it's stuck down. Then just get your squeegee, just push it over it. Just pushes out any excess air or bubbles. Well, I say you don't get any anyway because of that thing that you put on that frame thing. It stops it doing it. So this is the cover. Oh, sorry, that's what it is. Spigen or Spigen, whatever it's called. Tough Armour XP. The XP one is supposed to have like a sponge. It's got an extra bit of protection. It's got this yellow, like spongy anti-shock. Whatever it is. So this is pretty like going to be. You just like place it in. This is straightforward. That feels quality, that does. Feels nice, good quality. It's got like a little pull out thing here, so like if you want to use your phone as you know, watching movies and stuff. It's got that. You can see the Apple logo. Doesn't interfere with the camera. Feels nice, that does. Anyway, it's just a quick video just to show people how to do it and what it is. I hope it's helpful to somebody. So until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.